The Lok Janshakti Party is gearing up for a new round of drama in the by-elections for 2 Bihar Assembly seats on October 30th. Why was the LJP facing an election symbol dilemma between all of this? Let's decode that for you. The LJP is now divided into 2 factions. One led by LJP founder Ram Vilas Paswan's son Chirag Paswan, and the other that's currently led by his uncle, Union Minister Pashupati Paras. The Paras-led faction is a part of the ruling National Democratic Alliance, which has decided to field JDU candidates for the Kusheshwar, Asthan and the Tarapur seats. In the 2020 Bihar Assembly election, the JDU won both seats. However, Chirag Paswan-led faction has announced plans to field its own candidates from the very same 2 seats. Chirag Paswan's undivided LJP finished 3rd in both seats in 2020. But this time, Chirag Paswan can't use the LJP's election symbol bungalow in Bihar by-polls. Why can't they use the symbol? The Election Commission of India has now frozen the bungalow election symbol of the LJP because it can't yet decide which faction of the party is the original LJP. The LJP split into 2 factions in June this year, with 5 of the 6 MPs revolting against the party's leader, Chirag Paswan. Those 5 MPs chose Pashupati Paras as their party leader, replacing Chirag Paswan. Both sides claim to be the original party's representatives. The Election Commission is yet to decide now whether to recognize one faction as the original party. What did the Election Commission say? In its order to freeze the election symbol for the Bihar by-polls, the Election Commission said, and I quote, "Neither of the 2 groups shall be permitted to use the symbol bungalow reserved for Lok Janshakti Party. Both the groups shall be known by such names as they may choose for their representative groups, including, if they so desire, leakage with their parent party, Lok Janshakti Party." The Chirag Paswan-led faction will have to contest the Bihar by-polls on one of the free symbols that's available. How does the Election Commission resolve the symbol conflict? Well, the EC acts on the guidelines given in the Symbol Order 1968. And according to it, before deciding which faction is the original party, the Election Commission will satisfy itself after taking into account all of the available facts and circumstances of the case and hearing representatives as well as other persons. The new rule for the LJP, as breakaways have become more common in Indian politics, a new rule was introduced by the Election Commission in 1997. The new rule does not give much weightage to MPs and MLAs siding with one or the other faction. According to this new rule, a splinter group of the parent party must first register as a separate party, and only then can its symbol claim as a state or a national party be examined. And that's why Chirag Paswan's faction is now given the name as Lok Janshakti Party. The Pashupati Paras-led faction will be called the Rashtriya Lok Janshakti Party, after which the Election Commission allotted helicopter as the symbol to the Lok Janshakti Party and sewing machine symbol to the Rashtriya Lok Janshakti Party. These factions will now fight the Bihar by-polls under these new election symbols.